It's game time!
Now I'm going to call out a tempo for you to sing and play at home. If I say andante, you gotta play and sing nice and slow. If I say moderato, you gotta play a little bit faster. And if I say allegro, you gotta play really fast. Are you ready? Let's play. Round one. Andante. Andante is slow. Round two. Moderato. Excellent, friends. Moderato is a little bit faster, but not too fast. Round three. Allegro! That's right, Allegro's nice and fast. Now let's add one more. If I say accelerando, you gotta start slow and get faster and 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 faster. All right, let's play again. Round one. Moderato. Nicely done. Round two. Allegro! That's right, Allegro is fast. Round three. Andante. Very good, everyone. Final round. Accelerando. Faster, 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 faster. That's accelerando. You win. Great game. You played our tempos amazingly. Nicely done, nicely done, nicely done, nicely done, nicely done.